Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're doing a full face using only pink products. One of the colors of Valentine's Day is pink, so I thought it'd be a bit of fun to do a full face of makeup using only products with pink packaging. This was a little difficult. I didn't have near as much pink as I thought, but I think I've gathered up almost everything except for brows, eyeliner, mascara. I don't have any pink for those, but I will put a picture up here of what this looks like in front of me. It looks very cutesy, very pink, and I'm very excited. So sit back, relax, and enjoy a pink-filled video. I'm gonna be using some products that I don't use a lot anymore, so maybe I'll rediscover something. So we have a mixture of like actual pink products and pink packaging. First up, a pink primer. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I've not used this primer in a really long time. I actually don't know what I'm doing with my eyes, so I am going to do like all of my base makeup first. Next up, foundation. We have the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It's got a cute little pink lid. I really don't know if mine's bad or if it just always stinked like this. But it stinks. And of course, we've got a pink sponge. It definitely feels very sticky with that primer underneath, and I know that's not usually what that feels like, so I know that that's the primer. Next, we have the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. It has like this pink right there. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh no. I do feel like I need more of this than I usually need of concealer, because the foundation's just such like a natural foundation. Oh, guys, I don't like this concealer. Okay, I feel like we're not looking too bad. Next up is cream bronzer. I actually don't have a powder bronzer in pink packaging, so we're going with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour. I have mine in light medium. So like, this is all I get for bronzer. Next is liquid blush. I'm taking the She Glam Love Cake blush. So for powder, rose gold is the best I could do. This is the Catrice True Skin Mineral Loose Powder. The powder itself is almost a little pink, and then it has like rose gold. It's a little pinky. You guys can tell. Then of course using my pink powder puff. I did use this powder for a little while. I did like it at one point. Very blurring, like very blurring. You know, I've seen videos of people saying like the makeup that beauty gurus do online like doesn't work for everyday makeup. Like that can't be their everyday makeup. But like, this is my everyday makeup. I definitely understand that like my everyday makeup is a lot for some people. What I do on here is like what I wear out. And like right here, like add some brows and some highlighter, and this is my everyday makeup. This may never open back up. I don't have a bronzer, but for blush, we're gonna use the NYX Buttermelt Blush because we have to. It's like the most pink packaging ever. So yeah, we're not gonna be bronze goddesses today, okay? We're gonna be blushy babes. Just saying. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera since I don't have any pink. I lied, I actually do have one brow product. NYX The Brow Glue has pink packaging. Not my favorite, but it does the trick. All right, now we're on to highlighter. We're using the Rare Beauty highlighter. This is in the shade Enlighten because it's like pretty pink. It's a little nude. It looks a little nude on the camera, but it is like pink. I may have forgotten like how intense this highlighter is. To be honest, I don't use this highlighter very often because I didn't remember being very impressed with it. But setting spray. This is the e.l.f. Glow Dewy Mist. Don't know if it's technically a setting spray. It's just a facial mist, but it's pink, so that's what we're going with. Okay, so for eyes, I have some options here. We have the Beauty Bay Bright Matte Palette because, you know, it's pink and it also has lots of pink shades in it. We have Jeffree Star Jawbreaker. Not as many pinks, but is a pink palette. And then Glisten the Clay Drop is, you know, has lots of colors in it, but it's pink packaging. I kind of want to do like Linds's eye look that she did the other day, but not dark. I want to do it like light pink. I think I'm going to like first go into like Cosmopolitan and Make Them Wink and like mix those two together. I'm trying to like go over it really lightly. Okay, so you guys get the gist, right? Now I'm gonna take like just the shade Cosmopolitan. Now going into the Jawbreaker palette, I think there's a lighter pink in there that I want to use. I'm gonna use Bubblegum. It's really like not quite light enough. They actually almost look the same. Okay, going back into Make Them Wink. And then going into Sweet Tooth and add a little bit of White Lies. Okay, that's good. Then I'm gonna try and clean this up and get some white out of the shade Charlie. And I'm gonna do like some lace around this, I think is what we're gonna do. I feel like maybe I should have done an outline first. It's like really hard for me to see that part of my eye. I mean, can you guys tell what it's supposed to be? Because I can't. That looks horrible, but I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other eye. Okay, now for lashes. I have the Ioni XL Wispy Dramatic lashes. These are from the Dollar Tree, and they're pink. Okay, last but not least, lips. So first I'm going to take the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner in Pinky Swear. To be honest, I'm not sure what's going on. This eye is watering really bad. And then we have the Glamlight Daphne lipstick. I know it's not all pink, but it has some pink on it. I just put that on like perfectly without looking at it. Okay, and since that makes my lips feel like gross and dry, we're gonna take the NYX, this is the Juice Gloss, or this is Juice Gloss. We're gonna gloss it up. Okay, I'm gonna go finish my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, my makeup is all done. The eyes didn't turn out like the best, so we're kind of just covering those up because it's whatever. But other than that, I think my makeup actually turned out pretty good, and I really like this lip combo. It does feel quite thick, but like I actually kind of like the way it looks. So I might do this lip combo every once in a while. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was a little bit of fun and kind of relaxing. It's been a while since I've just done like a sit down and get ready with me. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I'd greatly appreciate that. I'm trying to hit a goal of 5,000 subs by the end of 2025, which means over doubling my subscriber count. So if you like this video, share it with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. I post new videos every single week, usually on Saturdays, but sometimes Sundays. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.